WooCommerce store owner, then there might be times you didn't set up your product details properly. So having missing data on your site is one of the reasons you couldn't generate an accurate product feed. But don't you worry. Today, we will look at a feature that lets you generate accurate product feed with such misaligned products and help you include the missing data within the feed. Hey everyone, this is Sadia from Product Feed Manager, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily use the feed rule feature to replace one attribute with another to create the perfect feed. To do this, you need the plugin Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. It's a great plugin that lets you generate product feeds for almost all of the merchants real quick. And the feed rule feature is a pro feature that helps you manipulate your feed data however you want. Let's look at an example.
Let's say you want to generate a feed for Kelco. For that, go to Product Feed, click on Add New Feed, and it will take you to the feed creation page. Here from the drop-down, select Kelco as your merchant. So these are the attributes that will be included in your feed. Now let's say you want to use product short description value for this product description attribute. You can simply do this by selecting product short description here. But what if you didn't add product short descriptions for some of the products in your WooCommerce store? That means when you generate the feed, the products with no short description will have missing values for this description attribute. Now going back to your WooCommerce store and finding out which products don't have the short description is pretty daunting, right? What about fixing this with a simple condition? And this is where the feed rule feature comes in. Let me go back to the feed. Now to apply the feed rule feature, go to product filter option, click on add feed rules, and this is the section where you will apply the condition. And the condition will be if the product short description is equal to empty, then the product short description value will replace with the product description value. After setting this up, when you generate the feed, the product with no short description will show the value of the product description. Now let's publish the feed. For that, click on Publish button and it will start generating. So once the loading is completed, your feed will be ready. Let's view the feed. So for explaining the changes, let me take you a product of mine. See, this is a product of mine and there is no main description, but it has the product short description. So let's view it in the feed. I'm just searching for the product. See, in the description attribute, it is showing the product short description. Now let me give you another example. This is another product. Here I have the product main description, but it doesn't have any product short description here. So if I search it in the feed, here you can see for this product it is showing the main description and it doesn't have any product short description. So you see how easily you can replace one attribute with another attribute. Just like this, you can also replace certain attribute value with a static value. As you are generating a feed for Kelco, here for the availability attribute, it requires some specific values. 1 for in-stock, 4 for pre-order, and 5 for available on order. But normally when you generate the availability value with stock status, WooCommerce basically returns in stock or out of stock. So in this case, you can choose a condition and show the availability value in the feed. For that, just go to product filter and add a new rule. Here you need to put the condition, and the condition will be if the availability contains in stock, the availability value will be static and it will be 1. Now when you generate the feed, the products that are in stock will show the availability value 1. Now let's update the feed. So now let me search for availability. See, the value is 1 here. So the values are replaced. You can also do the same for other products to show different availability values.
So that's how you can easily manipulate product feed data for your design marketplaces. So go ahead, start using feed rule feature and get better result for your design marketplaces. And if you haven't already, get the product feed manager for WooCommerce Pro now.